Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Now in this video guys, we're going to explain to you how to pass or forward the GPS location information, okay, to kstars from a wireless WAN card. Okay, I have a Dell computer. You're gonna see the model that I'm using. I'm gonna put it in the title. It's WWAN Dell DW5816e. Okay. This is the wireless WAN card. It's a modem that's supposed to be used as a like a 4G internet connection or 3G for internet connection. This means like it will make your laptop work like a phone, okay, like a mobile phone. You know, it has a 4G connection. You can have internet and GPS, same thing, and the rest is just a normal desktop. But there is on a phone, it's just miniature thing. So we're gonna pass all that information to kstars through GPSD server, and just to make sure that the test of everything is working. Okay, please sit somewhere like next to outdoors, next to your veranda, something like that. Like if you see, look at me, I'm sitting next to my veranda, they got outside there. Okay, so I'm just sitting next to the veranda. So it's very important that you sit like this, okay, if you don't want to go outdoors, because it's the best way to capture the connection from the GPS satellites. Okay, now I'm gonna switch now to my screen so I can explain to you everything. Okay, now here, first of all, please, for simplicity, just log in as root on your terminal, on your Linux terminal, okay? And then, this is only for Linux, by the way, I did not mention that, and I'm using also Debian Linux, okay? Just for you to make sure that I'm using Debian Linux, this is it, okay? Enlarge the font, so cat/etc issue, okay? This is how you know, so this is Debian Linux 12, okay? Debian GNU Linux 12, okay? Now, we have to install first apt install kstars, okay, the astronomical map, the sky map, and plus you have to install indi. And if you press that like this and double tap, all these are indi drivers that kstars uses them. Now just you will need this actually from all these packages, but what I do is just I install them directly, all of them. So I press start, even if I don't need them, you don't know what you're gonna use later, okay, just install them just in case, okay, and then press enter like this and you will find them installed in your system. This is not I mean, in my system it's already installed. Yesterday I installed everything, okay. Now also you will have to make sure that you install GPSD and GPS let's see, there's the one called clients, this one, okay, GPSD clients, okay. You install them and they are already installed on my system, okay. Just for you to make sure the clients are installed, just type x GPS for example, and you should find something like this. And if I press click like this is there because it's not showing the whole. Okay, it's not running. Anyway, GPSD is not running. Doesn't matter. But I mean, this is a client. Okay, we will see its effect later. Now the problem with our wireless WAN card is that the wireless WAN card I have is this one, like I said, okay, this one, okay. The problem with it does not show like any serial USB device, so like does not show this file, for example /tty, and for example you don't see something like USB. So you guys see, for example, S1, S2, S3, the normal serial ports, okay. So what can give us information is only the command cli. Okay, and if I just type like this, list modems, it will show our modem. I will take this number in order to see the information about our modem. Okay, and please, you have to install the SIM card in order to make the GPS working. Any SIM card, please just select those which you can see on your phone. If you test them, there is a service, but doesn't have to have a real phone number working. Okay, it doesn't have to be. Okay, only just any SIM card will do. Okay, and use the micro SIM card. Okay, use the micro SIM card, it will work. Now, and since this is indexed as 0, as we said over here, okay, so what you have to do is, here I'm clearing so the screen, so I say CLI minus M0. If I press like this, you see the whole device. Okay, and you must see this enabled like this. Okay, you must see this enabled. Okay, in order to make it, to get your your GPS working. Okay, because this means that there is a SIM card over here. Okay, if not, you will see red lines showing that there's no SIM card installed. Now, all of this I'm doing it on a normal user. As you can see, it doesn't matter whether you do them on a because this is just informative. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you do them on a normal user or on a root, on the user root named root. Okay, the administrator. So on the admin side, because we want to get the GPS working. Okay, so I'm CLI. Okay, minus M0 here, and location. Now you type like this, double tap, you see everything regarding location. So what we're gonna do is enable the GPS NMEA, not the row. Okay, row will work, it doesn't matter. With this one, it works. The unmanaged will not work. Okay, I'm telling you, just listen to me. Okay, and what else? That's it. Okay, that's all you need. So to get the information about your current location, okay, you just use this location get. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is location get. Now we have to enable the GPS. So enable GPS and NMEA. Okay, see, it says this. If it says this line, okay, then everything's fine. And I'm gonna just show you the row, and then I'm gonna disable it because I don't need it. Okay, all I need is the NMEA, and then we'll be forwarding them to GPSD. Okay, so and also this is important for you if you want to. Okay, the refresh rate, set it in seconds. Okay, just set it as 1 second. Every second will give you a. So I'm gonna set it like in 1 second. So CLI minus M0. This is for modem 0. Maybe you have multiple modems. Okay, don't type it like this. Don't type it like this, M0 like this. No, type it M space 0. Okay, then location set GPS refresh rate. I'm gonna put it as 1 second. Okay, then here, let me show you. CLI, okay, minus M0 location get. See, those lines here are the raw data. Okay, those lines here are for the NMEA format. I'm gonna just show it. this. Okay, let's clear it and I'll show it to you again. Okay, and if you go back and forth with the video, okay, you see the difference that it took new data, and here if I want to, I can show you newer data. Now look at this. This is like 00. Okay, I'm gonna clear now and just see it changed. So it's taking data. Okay. Now now what we want to do is forward all these lines of the NMEA. Okay, and only those I'm highlighting. Okay, without this and all these bars, and without this. Okay, this line. Okay, we're gonna check everything that starts with a dollar sign. Okay, so this needs some kind of a programming side and shell scripting side. Okay, which I made a script for it. Now the script is as follows. This is the file. You open a file, Pico. Okay, I usually use VI, but doesn't matter now. Here on this W1, this way. Any script, just name it whatever you like, but this is the one that you need. Okay, and we open it. Now, what you need to do. Okay, this line is not important, but I kept it just in case if I want to make it using awk. Okay, to get the output, but. I like after testing and trying and see how I'm gonna grab the DOS line, like the part that starts with the dollar sign towards the right. The awk was not and the head and all that was not the correct way to do it. Okay, so I also need to make it print every 1 second. Okay, something. Okay, some new location. Some new every time, like there's a new data coming, and every time the data is updated and is given to you, that will be forwarded to GPSD. Then GPSD will be read by kstars. Okay. Now let's. Okay, so of course after you write those lines, okay, chmod +x WWAN GPS. Okay, and this way it will be executable. Then this is how it will work for us. Okay, now I did not put off and disable the raw data. I will have to, so let's disable it. Okay. CLI 0. Okay, let's rerun the GPS and see this is how it will go. And this is those are the lines that I need. Okay. And as you can see, every time it's updated location data. Okay. Now let's explain the script a little bit. Okay. Then we will go to the next step. Okay. Here, this part will give you the location. Okay. This part because we need to start from the second line. So, okay, here. And this here, okay, this set will remove everything that's before the dollar sign. Okay, so what will happen here is it will remove everything till the dollar sign and the dollar sign is removed. Then it will be replaced by another dollar sign. Okay, so everything here from the start will be going as dollar sign. Okay. So this is the first part here. Okay. Okay, let's show it to you like this first. Okay, so I want to get rid of this line and the word GPS and MEA and everything till here. Okay. So it will be like this if I paste with the yeah. Okay, let's copy it again. Okay. So see, it will skip the first line. Then when I use sed, okay, like this, and this is just to say I have a dollar sign or a character, okay, and then I replace it with a dollar, okay. Okay, and that's it. See, it will remove everything here. Now I'm thinking of also just putting this maybe for the start of the line. Let's see, same thing, okay, just to make sure. You can put that, no problem. Now now that I had this information, okay, so next is that first of all you have to put disable the server from being started up on the Debian's method, okay. And this is how you do it. System control GPSD dot socket. This is important to, okay, anyway, disable first. Okay, and then also the GPS server. Those won't be running at startup, okay. And then what you should do is set. Let's see. Okay, this line. Okay, this contains our script here that will be running every time. This will send the output to stdin. This will run GPSD. This will show debugging or what happens in GPSD. What's next here? Let's see, just as a reminder, just to remember or recall it. Okay, so here man GPSD. Okay, you'll see what's the meaning of n, small n and capital. Okay, here they are. So here -n means no wait, don't wait, just directly connect to the GPS satellites, and -n makes it go for foreground. Do not make it running on the background, you don't see what's happening, okay? So I only just keep this running, okay, like this. Okay, now let's show you GPSD, okay, when it's run by or when it's read by XGPS. Okay. Now remember that GPS D is running as a server with on the local host on this port 2947. Okay, let's connect back, connect again. But here if you remove this a little bit, you can see the changes. Now it's going with the changes. Let's go back to the sky view. Maybe it's not yet, okay, but there's a response. This is my location, my current location, okay. If you move the laptop a little bit, you'll see the speed is running too. Okay. Okay. Now we go and run kstars. Make sure that in the settings of kstars you go to indi and make sure it's GPS updates kstars. Okay. Now for my GPS location, see it's here, it's writing GPS, it's certain, I mean, GPS location. Here it will take it and display it over here. So if I go, or display something for you over here. So I go on device manager, okay, and I go to, let's expand this a little bit, okay, go to auxiliary, the helping tools, helping devices, okay, you select GPSD. Then by the way, if you don't see any one of in the list all the items in this list is showing here gray buttons, this means that you should that you did not install the indi drivers, okay, so please install them. So I just run the service, and then I here see the options, okay, general info, okay, and let's see, connect, okay, see, it's taken. Now see, GPS fix obtained, okay, now close, then close, okay, that's it. This is how it's done. Now this means you will not be using this one on kstars, which is like setting your location, maybe using the well-known cities, okay. This is good for people who don't have a telescope for you, just using it as a map, normal map, okay. But if you want accuracy, do what I told you, okay. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Goodbye.